Matt Lewandowski. I am a lead technician here at Bridge Cable. Been here almost 1 year. A friend of mine was doing it, and so I said, on the job training. So that's what I did. I'll cook. That's what I used to do. My daughter's favorite dish is honey garlic chicken. It's very good. Play golf. Hang out with family. Basically on the job training. Just learning from people with experience and just kept working. And just, just all came with it. Did certifications, classes, but mainly on hands-on. The Bixie was very hard, but it was still probably the best. Technology, just everything's advancing, and I'm right on the cutting edge of it. Florida or an island, because I hate the cold. So it looks good, so it works properly, so you don't have to go revisit and fix any mistakes. Check it once, check it again, check it a third time. Be accountable, mess up, own up to it, have the right tools, questions, just ask, and learn. Just try to be like a sponge and learn. Soak it in. You're gonna learn something new every single day. Batman. Beach. Comedy. Cat. Android. Depends on the day. I do enjoy cooking, but yeah, love cooking. TV shows. See ya.